You can customize the rows and columns in reports in QuickBooks Online. If customizing the rows and columns in a summary report, the column and row options now appear directly above the report in the General Report Customization Settings section, as they are so commonly changed within these types of reports. To add columns to a summary report by which to view the totals for each row in a summary report which shows an aggregation of values or totals, select a choice from the Display Columns By dropdown that appears in the Report Customization Settings section. To then change the comparison columns and comparison calculation values in a summary report, click the Adjacent Compare To dropdown in this same section. To add or remove columns for comparison, check or uncheck the desired checkboxes in the Time Period section of the drop-down menu that appears. To also add columns showing the change in dollar amounts or percentages for the columns or rows in the summary report, check the desired checkboxes under the Calculation section of this same drop-down menu. Relatedly, to show which column and row values to show in the report based on account activity or non-zero amounts if customizing a summary report, click the Customize button in the Report Customization Settings section to show the Customize pane at the right side of the report window. Then click the Show Non-Zero or Active section in the Customize pane that appears. Finally, choose either the Active, All, or Non-Zero option button for the Show Rows and Show Columns settings. Separately from the summary reports in QuickBooks Online, to change the columns shown in a detail report, click the Customize button in the Report Customization Settings section to show the Customize pane at the right side of the report window. Then, click the Columns section in the Customize pane to show a list of checkboxes corresponding to the available report columns. Checked checkboxes that appear above the dividing line in this list are for the columns that currently appear in the report. Unchecked checkboxes that appear below the dividing line are for columns that do not appear. To change which columns appear in the detail report, check an unchecked checkbox for the column name to add shown below the dividing line to check it and move it above the dividing line. To remove a column from the report, uncheck a checked checkbox for the column to remove, which appears above the dividing line, to then move it back below the dividing line. To reorder the report columns in the report, click and drag up or down on the icon to the far right of the displayed column's name to move within the section above the dividing line. Then release it when the column is in the desired position. The order the column names appear from top to bottom in this list is the order they appear from left to right in the report. To change detail grouping options, if customizing a detail report that allows detail grouping, like the Transaction Detail by Account report, for example, click the Groups section in the Customize pane to show its settings. Then select a choice from the Group By dropdown. To clear a grouping, click the X button at the right end of the group. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.